You've heard of brownies before, but have you heard of applesauce blondies? So after making that applesauce cake, I tried to put applesauce in more sweets, and I found out that applesauce blondies are really a hit. We also have a cook-off on our Discord channel. Seems like apple's gonna win as a main ingredient, so I had to try to make something new. So yeah, let's go make the applesauce blondies. We start by chopping some white chocolate and store it in the freezer for half an hour. You can use white chocolate chips or any kind of white chocolate you want. In a bowl we need the light brown sugar, vanilla sugar and the melted butter. Mix it well and add applesauce with some vanilla essence. I also added a little cinnamon. Okay, now to the flour we add baking powder and some salt. You can find the amount of ingredients in the description or after the intro. We mix the flour with a whisk so we won't get lumps in the butter. Take your white chocolate from the freezer and mix it in. Take your baking pan with a parchment paper and spread some butter on the side. My baking pan was a little big, but it was okay. Try to spread the batter equally on the pan and cook it at 180 degrees Celsius, no fan, for around 30 minutes. Check it with a toothpick before removing it from the oven. You may need 5 more minutes or so. Until that's cooking in the oven, let's prepare the caramel. Put the sugar in a pan with a thicker base. Add 50 ml of water, give it a uba and put it on medium heat. Don't bother it, now is just the time to wait. After a few minutes it will start browning. I prefer a more browned caramel. After the sugar is getting the nice color, stop the heat and throw in some butter and mix. After that, put in heavy cream, vanilla essence and some salt. Put it back on medium heat for around 1 minute and continue to mix. Now, if your caramel gets a little crystallization and it's not smooth, that's not a deal breaker. You can totally use it like that or put it back on the heat and add a little more water and mix it. I personally don't mind the crystallization, so it's up to you. The applesauce blondie is done. I cut the corner and I was lucky to get that white chocolate in there. I think it looks great and the smell was really amazing. Serve it on a plate with some caramel on top. Oof, I wanna eat it again. You can put some nuts on top, or almonds, or whatever your heart tells you. I'm gonna go eat for now, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please support me by leaving a like, subscribe to this channel, and see ya next time.